What if your content could actually match what Google wants before you even hit publish? Not guess, not hope, but literally optimize your content while you're writing it. Want to stay ahead without getting lost in tech jargon? This space explores smart AI tools that help you automate tasks, think creatively, and work faster. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So today I tested a tool called Surfer SEO. And honestly, this is not your typical writing tool. It's more like having a real-time SEO assistant sitting next to you while you write. So basically, Surfer helps you create content that's optimized for search engines, but in a way that actually makes sense. From what I saw on the site, it's focused on improving your visibility in Google, and everything revolves around making your content more aligned with what's already ranking. Instead of guessing keywords or structure, it gives you data-backed guidance while you write. If you've ever written content before, you probably know this struggle. You publish something, and then nothing happens. No traffic, no visibility. And most of the time, it's not because your content is bad. It's just not optimized the right way. That's exactly where Surfer steps in. 1. Content optimization in real time. One thing that stood out immediately: you're not just writing blindly. You actually get suggestions while you write, so it's guiding you on structure, keywords, and overall content quality as you go. 2. AI plus SEO. Combined from the screenshots, you can see it blends AI with SEO analysis. So instead of just generating content, it's making sure what you create actually aligns with search intent. 3. AI visibility tracking. There's also a feature that tracks visibility across search results, which is pretty interesting. It gives you a sense of how your content is performing beyond just writing it. 4. Workflow plus integrations. It looks like everything is built into one workflow: writing, optimizing, analyzing, and there are integrations included as well, so you're not jumping between tools constantly. What I like about this is it doesn't feel overwhelming. A lot of SEO tools throw too much data at you, but this feels more like guidance than complexity. It's actually usable, even if you're not an SEO expert. All right, let's talk about pricing. From the screenshot, there are 3 main plans: Standard, $99 per month; Pro, $182 per month. This one is marked as recommended; Peace of Mind, $299 per month. Each tier basically unlocks more features, like more documents, more tracking, more workspaces, and deeper analysis. So it really depends on how much you plan to use it. So overall, the flow is pretty simple. You start writing, you get real-time suggestions, you optimize, and then you track how it performs. Everything happens in one place. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link below. And yeah, curious to hear your thoughts on this one. Would you actually use something like this? Drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.